Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park the log splitter level and engage the safety lock so it can't move. Once done, warm the engine for 3 to 5 minutes to make the oil thin enough to drain easily. Make sure to avoid hot surfaces. Place a drain pan under the drain plug, remove the plug with a 3/4 wrench, and let the oil flow out. While draining, inspect the plug for metal shavings so you know if internal wear is present. Once the oil stops dripping, remove the oil fill cap to allow better airflow and faster drainage. Check the cap for debris that could indicate contamination. If your splitter has a replaceable filter, swap it now. Clean elements trap particles, and you should torque the filter to the manufacturer's spec so it seals properly. Then clean the drain area, fit a new crush washer if required, and reinstall the drain plug securely. Make sure not to over-tighten, because thread damage is a common mistake. Pour in the correct oil type and the specified capacity, use a funnel to prevent spills, and replace the fill cap. Start the engine briefly, then shut off and wait a minute. Check the dipstick or sight and top to the correct mark. Inspect around the drain plug and filter for leaks. If you see signs of low oil pressure, persistent leaks, or unexpected noises, recheck plug torque, confirm the filter is seated, and inspect seals. If metal shavings were present earlier, avoid heavy use and consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.